Hello everybody. In this program, we are going to see an 8085 program to divide two 8-bit numbers. So similar to multiplication, we don't have any direct command for division. So multiplication, we did it using repeated addition. Similarly, division, we are going to do it using repeated subtraction. So if I want to divide a 7 by 2, what I have to do is I have to subtract this 2 from 7. So like how much ever possible times I can subtract, that much times I can subtract. So again I can subtract here. So here I have subtracted 2 from 7 3 times. So here the quotient will be 3. And what is the leftover after subtracting? It is 1. So remainder will be 1. So this is the concept of division. So I can perform the subtraction till this number becomes lesser than our divisor. So initially we need to compare whether dividend is lesser than or greater than divisor. Only if it is greater than the divisor, I can perform the subtraction, and I have to keep on comparing this result till it becomes lesser than the divisor. So once it becomes lesser than the divisor, then we can stop it, and the number of times I have subtracted becomes the quotient, and the leftover number becomes the remainder. So in this case, I'm going to take two numbers, 2 and 7. So 7 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. I'm storing 2 in 4150 and 7 in 4151 memory location. So we'll see the code. So initially it's LDA 4150. So that means the value in 4150 will be moved to accumulator. Move A comma B. So from accumulator, the value will be moved to B register. Again LDA 4151. So now from 4151, we had the number 7. So that value will be moved to accumulator. So now the value in accumulator is 7. The value in B register is 2. MVI C comma 00. So what this command does is like it will move this value 00 to C. So here this is our quotient initially. Compare B. So this compare operation is used to check whether our dividend is greater than or lesser than divisor. So usually how this compare works is it will compare whatever like register I have mentioned here, that will be compared with the accumulator. If this accumulator value is less than the register value that is mentioned here, then carry flag will be equal to 1. If accumulator value is greater than any other register, then carry flag will be equal to 0. So by making use of this, I'm just going to check whether our dividend is greater than or lesser than the divisor. So here compare B. So that means I'm going to compare this A value with B value. So in our case, A is greater than B. So carry flag will be 0. So here something it's given as jump if carry. JC means jump if carry to loop. So since here there is no carry, jump if carry means carry should be equal to 1. So here since the carry is 0, this operation will not be performed now. So next I'm going to subtract B. So that means accumulator value minus B value. Now the new value in the accumulator will be like 7 minus 2, 5. So I have subtracted once. So now the C value will become 1. From 0, 0 that will change to 1. Again, it's going to compare the accumulator value with B register. Here also, now also like A is greater than B, 5 is greater than 2. So carry flag will be 0. Here what I have given is jump if no carry. Yeah, our carry flag is 0. Here also the condition is jump if no carry. So obviously it will jump to loop 1, that is here. Again it will subtract. Now the new value will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. Again it is incremented. So C will become 2. Again I'm comparing it. Here now also A is greater than B. Again the carry flag will be 0. So jump if no carry. Since no carry, it will jump back. Now it will again subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Increment C. Now compare B. If I see now A is lesser than B. So carry flag will be equal to 1. So in this case, this condition is not satisfied. Hence it will not jump. It will go to the next line. SGA 4152. So we have already seen this command in the previous programs. So SGA 4152 means from accumulator, the value will be moved to 4152. So now in 4152, we have the value 0, 1. That is our reminder. Move C comma A. Now the value in C, that is 3, is moved to accumulator. and STA 4153. From accumulator, it is moved to the memory location 4153. So now this becomes the quotient. So if I divide 7 by 2, the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. I'm finishing the program with halt command. So hence I have divided 7 by 2 and the remainder is 1 and quotient is 3. Thank you for watching the video.